Hi guys, today is the last video I'm going to post. So this video is about, I'm going to do how I draw animals with marker. So I'm going to start with the cat. Okay, so here he is. I'm not done yet, so I'm only going to do the faces of these animals. So there he is. Right there, it's a cat. Now we're going to keep going. Guys, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Okay. So, where were we? Drawing a cat. That's the first one. We finished the cat. Now we're gonna do a pig. And please don't cyberbully me that my drawing is bad, because I'm only a little kid. And this is only my third YouTube video. Please comment on this video, because I would really appreciate it. I know my drawing's bad, but it will have to do for now. Okay, so that's the pig. I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. What? This is some sweet tea. Of course, YouTubers take a break. So that's my break. Oh, it actually made it. Oh my gosh. Look, it actually made it. I'm not even lying. That actually made it. Okay, let's put that there for now. Now, okay, so you guys saw it. Pig, cat. Now, we are gonna do a tiger. So, here we go. Oh. Okay, that'll just be the snout. Yeah, it's gonna be the snout. Okay. Oh, shoot. There we go. I just realized all of them have pointy ears. That's crazy. Oh, you can't see it? Okay. So far it's not going really good. This time I'm not going to give it adorable eyes because tigers are really mean. But they're my favorite animal. So its mouth. No, I'll just. Yeah, let's do that. Please don't cyberbully in the comments because I'm only 8 years old and I'm really bad at drawing. So please put not mean comments in chat. And please just comment in chat. But please don't cyberbully because this is my 3rd video and no one has commented on my videos yet. So it would mean a whole bunch if you guys subscribed and commented. Comment. It means so much to me. Let's see how much views this video can get because I just really like making videos because I like making people happy and I like curing people's boredomness. So please get this good and please don't put any mean comments. So that's going to be the tiger for now. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, now we are going to do a... Give me a second to think. We are going to do a lion now, and I'm going to put the hair around its face. I just forgot what the thing is called. So if you guys could put that in the comments, what the fur on its head is, I'd be pretty grateful too. And don't worry, I am gonna color these in. So this might be the longest video that I made so far. Or it is. Okay. Back. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah, a lion. Don't worry, I will put the hair stuff. So far it looks like a clown. I'm really not liking it. If it's bad, I'm sorry. This is just the best I can do. So I am gonna make a part 2 of this. Let's see if we can get this video to 5 likes. I know it's hard, but I know we can do it because this is the longest video, and I really want to make people enjoy, and I really need some likes because I made a video and it only got 2 likes. So can we please try to get this video to 5 likes? I know it's a lot, but I think we can do it. Please. So I'm gonna make a part 2. If this gets 5 likes, I will make a part 2. Bye bye.